respects to all the lovely members from the film industry, from the media, and my dear brothers and sisters. Thank you so much for this evening. Thank you so much for your time. First, my respects and prayers to all the families who have gone through this in Pahalgam. I was heartbroken. I was devastated. Any form of terrorism brings only loss. I really wish something like this never happens. My prayers with them. And yes, back to what we have come for here today. ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరూ? Suma Garu, you are looking great. You are looking again reminding the retro look. Thank you for being a part of being a part of a film with this look. You are looking great, and again thank you for all the love which you always give. And Sandallian, lovely music. You soaked us with beautiful instrumentals, beautiful violin and beautiful guitar, and thank you so much for the music, and also to the dancers. I really enjoyed you all on stage. And the question which you asked me, Suma Garu, what would you do when you go back to your 90s? I didn't immediately have an answer. What you'll do if you go back to 90s? I think it's those college days, 92, 95. I did my commerce BCom when I was in 92 to 95. I really wish I can live those days. Those days are always adventurous. I think you can rewrite your history. When you go back, I think to all my brothers and sisters, I would say that you can definitely rewrite history. Doesn't matter where you are from, what your background is, but you have one passion, and if you're obsessed about it, you really have to be obsessed about it. You all can be those people in life. You can achieve that in life. I repeatedly, every time I say, if I can be what I'm here today, you all can be much better than me. You can do better than me in life. And I only wish that for all of you. I've been watching this love. I've been witnessing this love and trust. I've seen my brothers having a tattoo with my name on your hands, tattoos. You all have given me a lot of love for my lifetime. I really don't want you to do those tattoos, but I really want each and every one of you to believe in life, love what you're doing, and be those winners in life. We all have a purpose in life, and we all have a beautiful life ahead. Just believe in life. So I just want to answer the retro question, 90s question. And thank you Stonebench, thank you Karthik, thank you Shreya's Media, thank you so much for this beautiful evening. Thank you to all my lovely theatre owners, to all the people who have been connected with this film and helping a beautiful release happening on May 1st. Retro is director Karthik Subraj's film. Like how Venki had said, Karthik Subraj's films, they are a separate genre. His films, his visuals, his making is completely different, and that's why we say Karthik Subraj Padam. He's got a unique way of entertaining you. Did you all like the trailer? So it was amazing working with Karthik Subraj. He's a dear brother to me. And I really thank Santosh Narayan Garu for the lovely music. I think after a long time, we have a kind of an album hit. Shyam Garu, thank you so much for all the lovely lyrics. I really had a very good time working with this film. Shreya was a camera, and I really had, after a long time, I worked with Prakash Raj Garu, Nasir Garu, and Jairam sir, who always we call as a evergreen hero. So we have a wonderful star cast. Joju from a lot of actors, Sujit from the Malayalam industry. We have great casts here, and of course, Pooja Hegde, who's made the song also viral. Lot of sincere effort from her, and I think she's promoted the film a little more than me. She's not here today with us. She's in a, she's gone for another work, I guess. But this film will have a lot of intensity. As the trailer says, it's love, laughter, and war. After a long time, you will see Karthik Subraj's version of a love story with a lot of action, with a lot of intensity. I'm really hoping this May 1st, you will really enjoy this film. Hopefully, we will satisfy you this time. And coming to this morning, I met a friend from the media, and he immediately said, "Sir, you are shaking hands with a lucky person, sir. He's got a lucky hand." So, thank you, Vamshi Garu, Sitara Entertainment, Vamshi Garu. Thank you so much for shaking hands with me with your lucky hand. So he said, "You will get a lot of luck." And I have to announce this today with. I have to start with Allu Arvind Garu. So the whole journey started with Allu Arvind Garu. So with his blessings, you've been waiting for this announcement. We are associating with Sitara Entertainment, Vamshi Garu, and my dear brother Venki here. This will be my next. So, as you all been asking, after a long time, with beautiful association and beautiful talent here, we'll be doing my next Tamil film. Will be with dear Venki, and I'll be shooting a lot. I'll be spending a lot of time here in beautiful Hyderabad. From May onwards, we start our next. We need all your love. We need all your blessings. I'm sure this will be a beautiful journey, and many more in the future. At least we have started off from here. Hopefully more beautiful associations will keep happening. And May 1st, one more film is releasing, Hit 3. Another friend of mine, my dear friend Nani is releasing Hit 3. Let us success streak continue. Let it be a hat trick after Saripotham, Sanivaram, and Court. I really loved Court. It was a beautiful film. Again, hats off to the entire team who gave a beautiful film. Let Hit 3 also be a beautiful a success story for Nani. And as he said, let it be a party on May 1st. Let it be a party. Let's all celebrate both these films. And yes, next to my dear brother Vijay here. So, I feel more proud of his journey. I have a lot of respects for his success stories, because somewhere we have one tree, one support in life, but brother, you don't have to feel that way. We are family now, okay? We are family and you're not alone. So I really feel very happy that he's been there with me also always, and he's always been in touch, always given his support, his love from wherever he was, and we always stayed in touch. And very sweet of him to come here today and spend this time. I enjoyed dubbing for Kingdom in Tamil, so I'm really wishing him lot of love, lot of success, lot of fame with Kingdom. Vamshi Garu, to you and to Gautam, let Kingdom be a beautiful success story again, brother, for you. And I always say, it's you don't lose when you fall down. You lose when you refuse to get up. When you're boxing, it's not about a defeat when you fall down. It's only you're defeated when you refuse to get up. We will bounce back big time, and we'll give that strong punch again. May 1st will be a beautiful film for you all, which you will cherish. We'll definitely make sure this time it will be a wonderful entertainment in the theaters. And to all my lovely brothers here and sisters here, I always believe in God's plan. God has a better plan always. And I've definitely must have done something right, something good, to constantly get your trust, to constantly get this love. After so many years, after so many ups and downs, to continuously get this love and this trust, definitely God has made me do something right. Uh, Thanks to Vijay again to speak about Agram Foundation. It all started with here, my experience here with Chiranjeevi Garu. I went to the blood bank, and only from Chiranjeevi Garu's blood bank, I got this idea. And of course, because of you, you gave me the power, you gave me the courage, you gave me all the strength to start Agram Foundation. And because of you, we have 8,000 plus first generation graduates. It's because of you. 5-6 years back, I was in US to as a fundraiser for Agaram Foundation. More than 30% of the fund came from Telugu speaking community for the Tamil students there. Even now, Telugu speaking community people, my wonderful people with a very, very kind heart, even now, till today, they all from US, they support Tamil students' education. So I have a lot of gratitude. I am thankful for life. Yes, with all your love and support, let May 1st be a very, very important day for the entire team here, entire cast and crew of Retro. We have been hoping and very, very hopeful that May 1st will be a beautiful day for all of us. Let it be a celebration. Need all your love and all your blessings. Thank you so much for this night. Thank you so much for this love. Lovely meeting you all again. And May 1st onwards and almost on May, I'll be spending more time here in Hyderabad and looking forward to meeting you all. Let's have a photo session that time. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for this love.